Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. So I got some parts that came in for the Scrambler build, and I've got more parts on the way. Some of them should be here fairly soon, but most of the parts are actually coming from Europe, and some of them are made to order, so it might be 3 to 5 weeks before I actually see some of this stuff. But let me show you what I've got right now, and I'll tell you about what's on the way. For the headlight, I decided to go with this 7-inch LED from Puig. It's called the Lumen R. The R stands for retro, and it's got an H4 connector on the back. It's advertised to mount right up to the Interceptor 650, so if I can get it on the stock headlight mounts, that would be awesome. Next, I got these LED bar end turn signals. These are from Moto Gadget. They're real low profile and they come with hardware to mount on different sized bars. One thing to mention, these won't work with the stock Interceptor 650 handlebars. The last thing that's come in so far are these black handlebars from BuiltWell. They have a 7/8 external diameter and they're quite a bit lower than the stock handlebars, and that's going to give the bike quite a different look. Now let me tell you about some of the parts I've ordered that haven't come in yet. To upgrade the engine, I'm going to end up breaking this bike down all the way to a bare block. That's what it's going to take to get the new connecting rods installed, and I'll tell you about that in just a minute. One thing I'm waiting on is a Scrambler rear fender that I ordered. It's in gloss black, and I got an LED tail light with the license plate bracket. I ended up going with what they call the comfort seat, and this all comes from Bonvent Motorbikes. For the front suspension, I went with the YSS upgrade kit, and this is going to come with better internals, and it also adds a preload adjustment to the front suspension. For the rear, I went with YSS coilovers, and these actually have a preload, compression, and rebound adjustment. To finish the handlebars, I got some black adjustable levers for the brake and clutch, and I got some handlebar adjusters, which lets you move the bars either forward or backward 1 inch, and I might need that to clear the upgrade kit on the front suspension. To upgrade the engine, I went with the S&S high performance camshaft, the S&S high compression pistons, and I went ahead and got the forged connecting rods from S&S too. There's still a few things I need to order, but I probably won't do that until the end of the build, such as the exhaust. I know what I'm getting, but there's no need to order it right now. And the wheels, I'm not positive which way I'm going just yet, so I'll figure that out a little bit later. Well, that's all I've got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, click subscribe, and stay up to date with my latest videos. Well, thanks again, and have a wonderful day.